So hi guys, I'm Deepak from Teen Tech Review, and today in this video we are going to unbox the CELLBELL USB Type-C cable, which is 2 meter long and sports fast charging. So it's also tangle free. We just unbox it. The CELLBELL awesome packing. We'll just open the casing. Just see anything inside the box. Nothing. Here's the best video contest that the company is running. And second thing, we have the cable. You can see the Type-C cable. It supports fast charging, so you don't need to worry if your phone has fast charger. The cable is 2 meter long. So this was it for this video. I'll be coming up with a full review of this cable where we'll compare it with other cable and we'll test the charging speed of this cable. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, do hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.